Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the, I think it's the top of the range camper van from Adria. Adria Twin 680 SGX Max costs 88,000 euros. It's on an MAN basis and you can even put up 3,880 should you want, and that's going to be 580 kilos of payload, 684 centimeters long, 205 wide, 259 high. So it's the standard MAN body. Obviously it's a camper van, not a motorhome. And what you see when you come in, lots of light. The reason you're not seeing maybe a lot of light is because of the colors. We're in a hall, but you know, with this this for me is really good. I like to get lots of light inside the vehicle, and it's not being seen to its best ability. Indeed, because of the shadows from the lights which are here, it's making it look even worse. So it's actually it looks better than you can see here when it's outside. So what have we got here then? There's the toilet. Look at that, wonderful, really. This is inside a camper van. Very nice look to it. It's got two drainage holes. Unfortunately, they're going to put those ones that went out of fashion in the 18th century in. Don't know why they did something like that in a vehicle like this. A drainage point is not expensive to put in, particularly when the vehicle is costing nearly 90,000 euros. Great place here to hang your socks up though at night, and hopefully they'll get dry. Alternatively, you hang your shirts up. You can hang your shirts up on hangers, and then as well. Sorry to say you shouldn't do that because it'll get the thing all humid inside. Yeah, I suppose it could do. Keep the door closed. I really like things like this in houses. I think it's super elegant. I don't think it's practical in a motorhome. I think in a motorhome, rather than have this bucket type appearance, a molded sink is somewhat better. I mean, you have that if you're using what's below it for some other purpose, but in this case, you're not. Now, this is really unusual. So you've got your shower head up there, right? So you're supposed to actually make the shower work by pulling this. That's really tight. And so there you've got your shower. Looks a bit like one of these French toilets, yeah. And there you got your towels there, so that's great for getting your towels wet. But I think it's going to work. If you want to have a shower here like that and move this thing, you can possibly just about do it. Let's see if I can do it. Right. I'm going to have a shower now. Yeah, maybe you can use it. The thing seems long enough so you can actually have a shower in this position. Bear in mind, of course, it's a camper van. It's only 205 centimeters in width anyway, and you've got to put the kitchen in the corridor in somewhere. So it's, I suppose that's fair enough. Here, toilet, Thetford. Bit of storage there. With this bit of storage there, you're going to have to close this. Otherwise, that there's going to. I don't have a problem with the toilet getting wet, but I don't want my shelves getting wet when the water can't escape. Presumably, can't escape. No, it's no plug in it. Anyway, good. Let's come to the back, and they've got this bed. Bed goes up and down. What's this? That's the bit that lies flat when it is down, and storage at the top here. Now, question here is this: is it a good idea to have this as one unit but folded over as it is here, or should there be 3 separate mattresses? In my opinion, though, having not used this, I'm just speaking from common sense, there should be 3 separate pieces. But I haven't used it, so I don't know. So anyway, we'll have a look at that from the outside. Here. There you go, nice fridge, and below it we've got a wardrobe. A wardrobe with a bin in it. That's not really a wardrobe, actually, it is a wardrobe, so you can't see it anyway, it doesn't matter. There is a thing to hang your clothes up from, but this is trouble, everything's black, you can't see what's going on. Behind me there is a sink with the proper, notice here they put the proper drainage in there. And there's 2 burners, and here we've got the wide drawer. I don't know what that's used for, but I've got the impression it might be a very good idea. Yeah, no idea what that's there for. If anybody knows, write it down. Telly goes there, storage along there. Really nice big table. I like this as well. I like this. You put some place to put your cups in. Nice if they give you a cup to go with it. I bet they don't. Handy storage. Yeah, I think they've done really well on the. This actually extend. There's a thing to put in there to make it extend. Let's go to the back. So, this is really the pièce de résistance for as far as this thing here is concerned. This will move up and down, and giving a huge amount of space here for other things. So you can get, how many bikes you can get in there? Quite a lot. You can probably get a motorbike in there without any problem. You've got lashing straps down here, put across. We've got storage in here as well. There you go. And on the other side, we've got here, got a note that let's see if it's connected. Ah, it is connected. All right. So this will come down. So press this here, and this comes down. It's rather slow, but it comes down. I'll put it that high, so now what I can do is I can make the bed, so this comes, so I need an even wider angle. That goes there, that will go there. Oh, it could probably be done a bit better. There you go, so you can see what the size of the bed is now. Now, the reason why it's still bunched up a bit there is because of the shape of the vehicle. So I'll take it down a little bit further, and it might just start lying flat. It might not, who knows. But what this has done is, there, you've got that space above, or you saw how big it was before. So I really like this as a layout. I think it's super effective for carrying things around with you. And you know, I live in a van, I'm carrying all sorts of junk. All the junk I'll pick up at this event, I'll be carrying that around with me for the next 17 years. And that, I think it's a great layout. Anyway, good. So, Adria Twin 680 SGX Max on the MAN TGE 3.180 base. Hope you found that of interest, and thanks very much for watching, and all the best for me in Düsseldorf.